Okay, we're going to be installing a skin kit on the LG G4. Now the focal points are going to be the camera and the speaker. So the first thing you want to do is peel the skin off the wax backing and align. Next you want to press from the center out. You can press the sides, top and bottom. Now the corners you can leave it up. The technique is to heat at the highest temp. Once it softens, then you would press. After a few seconds of heating, just want to glide left and right. And then you can repeat with all four corners. Now we're going to finish off the back by installing the camera and the button skins. And as you see, I like using Scotch tape just so that you could give it a better alignment. After you're finished with that, what you can do is give it a little bit of heat to soften the film to take the shape of the buttons. We are finished with the back skin. As you see, the seams come right to the line as if it's a complete new back cover. Next, we're going to install the sides, and as you see, you get one top, bottom, and you get two left and right sides since they are very thin. And you get two complete side wraps. Now what you just saw is only one set. Now I do recommend starting from the top. All you have to do is align the openings, follow the front of the phone, and you press. Don't worry about those thin little edges, because all you have to do is heat and they will start taking its shape. Now it's the bottom. Now we are ready to heat it with a household hair dryer at the highest temp. Just want to heat those edges to give it a good seal. As you see, those four corners, I have left them up. After applying the heat, then I pressed. It's better than pressing it, heating it, and expecting to stay down. Next, we're going to start with the right side. Gonna align it with that little cutout along with attaching it next to the right side of the bottom, and then you'll see I'm working my way up to the top while feeling the front of the device. Now at times you may have to stretch or contract depending on how off you are on the top. So next I'm going to do the same with the opposite side. Now as I mentioned before, you may have to stretch or contract. Now you see I am off by a couple millimeters there, so I'm gonna lift and give it a little pull. Now you might get it that first round. Might have to do it one or two more times. Now here is the front, the one-piece front, and it does include a two-piece as well in case you do mess up, because the sides are very thin. Now we also have two-piece fronts that are sold in 3-packs for those that prefer not to have those thin sides. Now as you see, I carefully peeled it off of the wax backing. Gonna align the top and then align the bottom and press. Now this is complete with the back, the sides, and the front. And as you see, very, very precise compared to other manufacturers that have large gaps. Now next I'm going to install the two-piece front. All you have to do is just align the top and align the bottom. And there you go, you now have a totally different, cool new look.